is amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this too. To start off the show this evening, so right here we have 1 cup of hot water. All right, 1 cup of hot water. Little bit more. Excellent. Ricardo knows just how to. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. All right. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Right here, we have some cloves. C-L-O-V-E-S. Cloves, which we're going to be using. Okay. I got a few grain, as you guys can see, and I'm going to put it into the water. Sorry, just like this. All right. You want to get the cloves into the water first, just to let the cloves dissolve into the hot water. Looking lovely. Now, the cloves is one of the most powerfulest spice on the planet. Anywhere you go in the world and you can get a hold of cloves, I'm going to tell you, use it. All right. Well, on the first, let me see. What a great tea to drink that are safe too. Now, if you are pregnant, don't drink this tea. No. If you're pregnant, I wouldn't advise you to drink this. This is too powerful. Yeah. So we got some ginger to put inside of it. That's the ginger. Lovely. We got some white onion we're gonna be using inside of it. Put some, no, not white onion, purple onion. Just like that. Chef Ricardo let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Okay, now we have some fresh garlic. We are going to use this fresh garlic straight inside of it. All right, we're using 3 to 4 medium garlic.
Fish simmering in a coconut stew, planting golden brown, it's true. Ricardo knows just how to soothe. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part.
What we're gonna do, we're going to turn off the cooker. Yeah, so we turn off the cooker. So once I turn off the cooker, I'm gonna make it simmer. Look at that, beautiful. And this is very good for the high blood pressure, guys. All right, very good for the cold weather, very good for cold in your gut. All right, so that's why I'm making this cup of tea. I don't have any cold and I don't have any flu or anything, but you know what I mean, the time is very cold. So we are back in the kitchen with another recipe. Look at that. Excellent, people. This is what I'm talking about. All right. Fantastic and an amazing, beautiful. Look at that. This is one of those kind of recipes you drink it in the morning and you drink it also before you go to bed in this kind of weather. And this kind of weather, you need it because the time is very cold. All right, you might live in our hot country. You don't have to worry yourself, you still drink it because it can help you with your gut, with your high blood pressure, also at home. Beautiful, simple recipe, and I'm back in the kitchen again. What are those other ingredients? There's only a few ingredients. We got purple onion. This is some cloves. CLOVES, because a lot of people don't know what is it. Cloves is a little spice which is popular. It is famous, especially man can drink it. And then we got some ginger, and we have some garlic. Right? Yes. Remove it from the cooker. With every bite a happy sight. All right. Taste Jamaica and you fly. Lovely. So you guys can see exactly what I've been doing. Okay? Yeah, man. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. My strainer. Alright. We're going to pour it out. Excellent. Now, I'm going to get some organic honey. And we got one little piece of slice of onion we're gonna put inside of it. That one stay inside of it for now. All right. All right. This is the book. You can get yourself a copy of my brand new book from Chef Ricardo Cooking, guys. All right. Yeah, man. A good vibes. Okay. So here it is. Very simple and easy to make, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. As you can see, it's not complicated. Chef, what can I do with the remaining ingredients?
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove top embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine. Mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign. Taste Jamaica and you'll fly. Fish simmering in a coconut stew. Plantain golden brown, it's true. Kitchen's alive with his groove. Ricardo knows just how to soothe. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part. sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love